Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok history not found in. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok your history not found in, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will enter to the window of TikTok and you will click here. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage and you will click in this window. Here in this page, you will click on clear cache. You will find this window of clear data. Don't click here because that can make errors or problems on your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your